good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Symphony Within, the cellular music of life. Ladies and gentlemen, amid the cosmic expanse of existence, the human being stands as a luminous microcosm of universal intelligence, a living symphony composed of trillions of cells, each a self-sustaining generator of energy and awareness. Within this intricate orchestra, life performs its quiet concert. Every heartbeat, every breath, every spark of thought emerges from cellular communication, a melody so refined that its harmony becomes health and its discord disease. When the music flows in balance, vitality radiates as rhythm. When it falters, the silence of imbalance begins its echo. The human structure is nature's most intricate instrument. Over 37 trillion cells coexisting in dynamic interdependence. Red blood cells pulse to the rhythm of oxygen. Neurons weave the frequencies of perception. Immune cells guard the sanctity of order. The brain, as the silent conductor, guides this orchestra through electrical, chemical, and vibrational cues, maintaining an unseen balance across systems. Yet each cell is not merely a passive performer. It is an energy generator, a miniature sun within the cosmos of the body. The power it creates depends on the harmony between its internal design and its external environment. When both realms, the microcosm within and the macrocosm around, are in resonance, the cell thrives in communion. It listens, responds, and aligns with the larger symphony of being. But when noise enters through stress, toxins, fear, or neglect, the rhythm weakens. Communication falters. The cell's music turns uncertain, and its voice of imbalance surfaces as fatigue, pain, or dysfunction. Ancient wisdom named this universal current prana, the living flow of consciousness. Modern science calls it bioelectric potential, quantum energy transfer, or molecular signaling. Both speak of the same truth. Every cell listens. It listens to thought, to emotion, to intention. The tone of peace refines its function. The vibration of turmoil blurs its purpose. Harmony, thus, is not a state. It is a living dialogue between consciousness and creation. What's the way forward? Within this understanding lies a quiet revelation. Life sustains itself through listening. When the internal and external harmonies align, the body's energy grid becomes coherent and the entire being resonates with clarity. Food, rest, breath, and emotional equilibrium feed the cellular symphony, just as light and silence sustain music. In that communion, healing ceases to be an act and becomes a state, a resonance with the intelligence that birthed life itself. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, health is the melody of coherence between the inner and outer universes. Each cell, through its luminous labor, participates in the music of creation. Its energy, a hymn of continuity. When equanimity arises, the mind no longer disturbs the rhythm, it reflects it. That balance, neither elation or despair, neither resistance or submission, is the stillness from which all harmony flows. As Lord Krishna proclaims in the revealed Bhagavad Gita, equanimity is the highest state of yoga, where action and awareness meet in perfect balance. In that sublime stillness, every cell finds its resonance. Every thought regains its purity, and the human being once again becomes the eternal music through which the universe remembers its own song. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.